Hello, I'm Momose, Yamaha Wind Instrument Technical Center. This saxophone sounds strange. Do you know why? Look at this key. It seems it can't close properly. Actually, we receive many inquiries for this trouble. What's the cause? Many of saxophone keys are made of brass. The troubled key is thin, so you can easily bend it by hand. Therefore, when you put the neck on the body, you may bend the key depending on the place you grip it. For example, if you grip it like this, or like this, power enters your hand and the key bends. You should grip where your hand doesn't touch thin keys, then you can put the neck safely. In case you have bent the key, please ask a repair technician for help. Now, this video program has begun in spring last year, and this issue, March 2019, is the final one. Thank you very much for everyone who continued viewing this. If you haven't seen other issues, please search for Count on Momose in YouTube and take a look. Mr. Fukuzawa, we have finished 1 year video shooting.
Well, I don't think so. We did only 11 times. So one more issue, please. Thank you.
What?
See you next month. I want to say this.